Hello everyone, my name is Fearless Bliss. Today I'll show you how I created this birthday flyer. So the first thing you do is just go in for your texture like this. Okay, so I'll place my texture here. So this texture I'm going to use it as the background. I'll reduce the opacity, go for Gaussian blur, and I'll set the blendness to 30 and hit OK. Okay, so from here I need to add some shapes, so I'll use this shape and change the color to red. Okay, I use the red color because my image too is red, so I'll go in and import my image. So I'm using this lady as my picture, and you can see that the shirt of the lady is red. That's why my color too is red. Okay, so from here I'll change the lady from normal to luminosity. Okay, then I'll make a copy of the lady like that. Then I'll reduce the size. Okay, so I'll just make a copy, reduce the size like this, so that you have this one. So I will change the small color, the small image to black and white. Okay, so I'll click in this image, then I'll go back to my layers, and then I'll look for the big image and change the blend mode to normal, so we have something like this. I hope you have enjoyed this part. I'll make sure the sizes are well aligned. Okay, something like this is good. So from here I can do some modifications, then I'll go in for my text. So I have this text happy, then I will change the color of the happy to red. I don't know how to go for this one. Is not basically for beginners, it's for someone who has advanced from beginner to medium stage or moderate stage. So you go in for the text and then type in something like this. So I have typed in my message here. Then from here I'm going to add some shapes. Okay, you can use a line to do this, or you can use a rectangle. I will draw this shape, this rectangular shape here. So I have this rectangular shape, then I will set the color to white. Okay, so let's see. So we have something like this. I'll make a copy of this one. Okay, then I will drag it to the right side like this. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. We have most of our birthday design for beginners. This one I've skipped most of the steps in it. So if you don't know how to insert a text, you have to watch the beginners tutorials on how to insert text, how to insert shapes and the rest. So with this one I've inserted the rectangular shapes like, then I'll go in again and go for my ellipse tool, and I will draw two ellipses here like this. Okay, then I will set the color to white. Okay, so from here we can do some changes. I will just make a copy of that particular shape. Okay, so I'll position it so that it is aligned with the rectangular shape. So I'll just make a copy of this one. After making a copy, what I will do is I will select the two. Okay, so let's go back to the layer, hold the shift key and select the two, and then now make sure you align them well. After aligning them well, make a copy. Okay, I just need equal spacing here. So from here I'll just press Ctrl J to make a copy. Okay, so let's select the ellipse again, then Ctrl J, make a copy, drag them to this side. So this one we are just trying to add some kind of textures or design element to it, and no design element include lines, any shapes. Okay, they are all elements of design. Then make another copy and drag it to the extreme end of this line. Very simple, as you can see like this. Okay, so from here what can we do? See, we wrote happy, it means our work is not done, so we need to make a copy of that one. And then change it to birthday, but this time we want it bigger than the rest of the text. So we have so many ways of doing this, but I would like that I will change the happy birthday, the happy. I can make 2 copies and then make one small, make one big. So I will click on it and go for blending option and add some strokes. Then from here I will add some drop shadows, increase the shadow, okay, like this, something like this. So I'll make sure my shadows are well visible. Then I'll add some kind of inner shadows to it. Okay. Then I'll also make sure the figures are well set. So from there I can also do another changes to this text. So I will type B for this one, as I said, so I can make the B bigger. Okay. Then I'll clear the layer star there like this. So from here I can maybe make it bigger. Okay. So I need to skip most of these things because if you are in your model stage, you can do this. Then make a copy of this one and then reduce the size. Okay. So write birthday like this and then check that. So from here, what we are going to do is we need to reduce the size for this one. We need to reduce the size like this. And then after reducing the size, we need to align them well. So from here, what I'm going to do next is to just increase the size of the letter B and then position it. Then I'll maintain the size of the A day, like the birthday without the B. Then I'll position it. Then I'll make sure they are well aligned. So I'm just trying to do some adjustment to it. Any way you think yours will be better, you can do it. So from here, what I'm going to do is I need to change the colors here. Okay, this looks like the red are too many on my work, so I need to change some colors. So I'll change the color of the B to something like black. I'll copy the layer style here, then I'll paste it on the B as well. So I'll paste that. I'll do same for the other text. Okay, or we can maintain it, so based on how you want it. So I'll just go in and set the color to black. Okay, and then I'll set the color for the blue to black so that we have something like this. Very simple as okay. So from here, what do you think we could do next? Okay. So from here, what I'm going to do next is I'll go in for my text, okay, and then type the name of the person. So Bless or Bless Zeta. I'll type the name Zeta Bless. Okay. So we have the name. Then I'll add some kind of shapes to it. I'll add this triangular shape to it. Okay. These are all elements of design we added to our design so that it will make it more nicer. So I will add this. Then from here, what I'm going to do is I'll transform this and rotate it like this. So we have so from here, what I'm going to do next is I will type here the date of birth here. Okay, so I will type the date of birth here, 23rd May. Then I will set the color to white. So we are almost done with our design. Please, if you are new here and you have not subscribed, do well and subscribe. with this designs, okay, so that you get more design from us. This is your best place to learn everything about get inspirations as well, okay, as we are giving you the inspiration and we are teaching you how to do those inspirations, okay. So we are almost done with our work, so I just need to make some corrections here. So I'll go to my background and double click on the Gaussian blur. Then I'll reduce the Gaussian blur from something like 3.8, or yeah, 3.8. And I'll confirm that so that the texture is more visible. Okay. So from here I'll go in for another texture. Then I'll place it here. So um I'll go in for this texture and I'll place this texture here. Okay. So it is quite loading. I have placed it there. So this is the texture, and I would set the blend mode to something linear blend or something like multiply. I'll maintain multiply any of the blending mode that will be visible. So I think linear blend will do. So this is all about creating this sample of the Photoshop. Thank you for watching. My name is Felix. Okay.